豊富な品揃え。
Hey family, hey, what's going on? I should put the mic on, but I didn't. My apologies, so hopefully you can hear me. All right, so today is just a relaxed day, but what we've decided to do is to go to the Christmas market. So we're going to go and look at the lights. We're gonna go and look at some of the villages, and then eat, because I'm hungry and my stomach is eating my stomach. So we're about to hit the train, as you can see, and then we're going to take a few stops, and then by the time we get there, we'll be like Midtown Tokyo. So I'll talk to you guys there. All right, bye.
Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Hold then we'll cover. I'ma get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Thank you. Music? Oh, okay. Thank you.
ねえ皆さん、人間は心の中にも荷物を抱えているそうですね。